Dividing decimals with number chips. This is the pirate version. It's a lot of fun for the students. They get to move these colorful chips around their screen in order to do their division. So it starts with explaining to the students how to move the decimal point before they divide. And then it gives a couple of examples. So we want to move that decimal point in the divisor all the way to the right. So in this case, one place to the right. That means in the dividend, we also move the decimal point one place to the right. And here's an example of when we have to move it two places to the right. Now students are going to start on slide 5. Every number the students need is on every slide. So as these problems get more difficult and they get toward the end and the numbers aren't working, they know they've made an error somewhere and they need to go back and check. So the first thing it asks them to do is to type in the number of places they have to move the decimal point to the right. And here they just type in 1. That's going to help them at the end of the problem when they have to place this decimal point into their quotient. So here we're just going to divide. 9 goes into 47 5 times. So they click and hold on the edge of the 5, move it into place. Then they multiply. 9 times 5, 45. Next step is to subtract. So it's a good review of long division also. Bring down the 7. And then 9 goes into 27 3 times. Now, because they had to move that decimal point one place to the right, it's now going to be here, and it goes straight up into their answer. Now, if you'll notice, every slide also has a yellow heart with a letter in it. And that's going to help them on the last slide when they have to solve a pirate riddle. They're going to be matching this letter to their quotient. So they've got several problems to practice. It gets a little bit more difficult as they go. They might have to do some guess and check on some of these problems. But they have every number that they need. So when they get to the final slide, they have all of these solutions. So they need to scroll back and find the solution, each of these solutions on a previous slide. And then they're going to type in the letter that's in the yellow heart on that slide. And it should solve the riddle, what do pirates wear when it's really cold? So that is the pirate version of dividing decimals with number chips.